Hunter-gatherers to farmers.
Hunter-gatherers to farmers.
The weather is so
Yeah, just like in our earlier videos, this girl and boy are discussing about something. They are discussing something. They are discussing something related to this lesson. What is it about? He started the conversation like,
the weather is so cold today.
yeah, he's saying the weather is extremely cold today.
We are planning to have a bonfire.
Yeah, you know what is bonfire?
Ma'am, with sticks they will do fire, ma'am.
Yes, I'll show you.
To keep pebbles, sticks, and rocks. Ma'am, we gather wood and will make a fire.
Yes, yes, very good. They gather food, they gather wood, wooden blocks or wooden
Ma'am,
sticks.
chapter?
They
take matches with sticks like this.
Yes.
No
need of page number. I'm starting 186 page, 126 page from hunter gatherers to farmers, 18th lesson. Don't open textbook, not necessary now. Okay, first listen to what I'm saying. All of you remain silent. Bonfire means they'll collect some wood, they'll collect some sticks from the forest or from the trees, and they gather it, they place it together and they lit the fire. So all of them, they will be sitting around you. Generally, this will be bonfire will be done during the camps or some social events. Like if you go for vacation near a hill area or in very extremely. Who is speaking? Kalyan mute, Jason mute.
When we are camping, we'll use a bonfire, ma'am.
Yeah, during the camps or during when we especially go for hilly areas, like that we put this bonfire and everybody will be sitting around singing songs, dancing for enjoyment. Okay.
Lohit and Avonya join, ma'am. What you're telling, please again repeat it, ma'am.
Nothing much. I just started the lesson 18. This is from hunter gatherers to farmers. This lesson is about the lifestyle of how people led life long ago. Okay, long time ago. How did they start life? What did they have? Okay, and we compare the lifestyle from now with them. So first one boy and girl were discussing. He said that today the extreme weather is extremely cold. Shall we go for a bonfire? Bonfire means this one. They gather the wooden sticks and they lit the fire so that to keep themselves warm.
Great! Early humans also used fire to keep themselves warm. What?
Yeah, then she said that the early humans also they used fire to keep themselves warm. So then he asked, what do you know? What else you know about early humans?
What else do you know about early humans? Early humans lived a long time ago.
Yeah, who are early humans? Early humans means people who lived long time ago.
They were like monkeys.
Were millions
Yeah, we evolved from monkeys. Yes.
Ancestors are monkeys,
to
ma'am.
become modern humans.
Now they changed it.
Yeah, please first watch the video.
Over millions of years to become modern fire to keep themselves warm. What else do you know about early humans? Early humans lived a long time ago. They evolved over millions of years to become modern humans.
Yeah, initially they were different. Slowly, gradually, they evolved like how we are now. Now we are modern human beings, isn't it? We use gadgets, we use vehicles, we travel by, what is that? What is the trains now? Metro rail. Okay, we use aeroplane to travel to different countries. We live in apartments. All
Ma'am, but those days they used horses to travel, ma'am. Horses and camels. Chimpanzees, ma'am. Our ancestors are chimpanzees.
so earlier, the early life of human beings was, first listen to me. The early life
Long time ago.
whoever is disturbing the class,
No, whole world. Don't take my quiz book.
Andrew, you are in unmute mode and you are fighting with your brother. This is not a joke. So she says that there is a lot of change from the early humans when we compare early humans with nowadays human beings. So first let's learn how early humans led their life.
Ma'am, our ancestors were chimpanzees, ma'am. Now they change it into humans.
Yes.
From hunter-gatherers to farmers. Life of early humans. Many scientists
See how the early humans looked like. They were having full beard and they were covering their bodies with animal skin or some leaves, and most of the time whole day almost they spent for hunting for the food. Why? Because they didn't have supermarkets, shops like now how we have.
Ma'am, they eat kacha, ma'am, without cooking they eat.
Yeah, will you first listen to me, ma'am? I appreciate your ideas, but first listen to what I say. First follow the video. Understand what I'm trying to say. You may be knowing, but I must be definitely knowing more than you. Isn't it? And let me explain what is shown in the video. So they use big leaves to cover their body, and most of the time they spend only for hunting for food because they didn't have shops, they don't have any companies. Suppose now if you want some bread or milk, we go to a nearest supermarket and buy. So simple, we give money and buy. But that time it was not the lifestyle like that. Okay, it was totally different, and most of the time they were just hunting all the time for food. How did they hunt? What did they do?
scientists believe that early humans spent all day searching for food.
Yeah, they keep on searching for the food. They didn't have any other work. Search for food, eat, and sleep. That's it.
And protecting themselves from wild animals.
One more thing is,
Ma'am, in that lifestyle, there's no TV.
yeah, nothing. Only food, hunting for food and sleeping. Nothing more than that. So they also have to protect. Whoever is unmute mode, will you please mute? Nagadruti, Rashmita Reddy. Why are you talking, ma? Sanvi, where are you? Sit properly. See, you don't sleep on bed when I'm teaching. Chatvik, are you feeling sleepy? See, whoever is feeling sleepy, just go and wash your face and come. I'll wait. No problem.
Ma'am, did they have water in the times, old time?
Yeah, water they had, like nearby lakes and rivers, right? And absolutely pure water because no pollution, no vehicle traffic.
Ma'am, no water bottles.
What do you think they had plastic? They used plastic?
Yes.
No, they don't have anything. They use some natural.
Ma'am, there was no bridges. That's why the ma'am, they will only water with time with hunting and sleeping and eating.
See, I'll give chance for you
You
to talk.
all, ma'am.
All
Ma'am,
of
they
you
will
don't
only
talk.
eat and sleep, ma'am.
Yeah, all of you please don't talk at the same time. I'll give you chance. After the video is over, I'll give chance to everybody for you to talk. Okay? Then you share your ideas. So how gradually, slowly we started cooking and all that we will learn. Okay, here the one of the main thing is they lived in forests. Don't you think so? They have to protect themselves from wild animals, isn't it?
No, ma'am.
Yes, they have to protect, isn't it? Otherwise, the
Ma'am,
wild animals will kill them. So first thing is hunting for food, and second thing is they need to protect. They need to escape from the wild animals. How? First, not only how did they hunt the animals? See,
They hunted animals and gathered wild.
they hunted animals like this. See, he's going back of the little rabbit. So use this. They used they sharpened the stones and used them for killing the animals. See, for a big stick, he tried this sharp one stone and he tied to it. That is how they killed, because they didn't have knives and all that. They didn't know how to
ma'am,
make
all
knives.
of them will have like that only, ma'am.
And they didn't have steel and iron also, isn't it? Iron and steel metals were not there.
They don't have. It will be, ma'am. In kingdoms also there will be.
Huh?
Ma'am, they made houses with sticks and
What did I say, ma? First, listen to the video, see the video, understand the video. Then you ask your questions and share your ideas. Please follow my instructions. So they didn't have iron and steel to make sharp objects. So what did they do? They took a stone and they They made it very sharp to kill the animals.
Plants and fruits for food.
Yeah. So either they had meat by killing the animals, or they plucked the fruits from the trees and they ate.
They used sharp-edged stones to
Sharp-edged stones. They found out and they found these sharp-edged stones to kill.
hunt animals. These early humans were called hunter-gatherers.
So that's the reason they are called as hunter-gatherers. That means they hunt for the food and they gather. They gather means they collect the things. See, he is using this sharp thing even for arranging these plants.
They wrapped tree leaves and animal skins.
So here, see, there is a love. I am pausing the video to explain. Okay, here he used animal skin to cover his body, whereas here he used some leaves. He wrapped around some leaves around his body to protect from heat, rain, and cold.
To cover their bodies, they made shelters out of rocks.
Yeah, this is how they made their shelters. Shelters means a place to live, to escape from the atmosphere, that is heat, cold, sunlight, rain, everything. They need to take shelter. They need to take shelter in a small house like things. It's like a hut. They use some tree branches, some kind of sheet. I don't know where they got it from.
animal skin.
Maybe animal skin.
Grass or
They use some high grass, just like how we use for hands, or huts. And they also made these sharp objects from other stones for digging into the ground.
skins. Later, they started living in caves.
Yeah, they also started living in natural caves. That is, the caves that are naturally made with huge rocks.
They made simple stone tools for cutting.
So they use simple stone tools to cut the meat, and to cut the fruits or something like that, as well as for digging.
And digging. Discovery of fire. Early
This is the greatest discovery in humankind. Without fire, do you think can we cook food?
And they will use a rock to make a fire.
Yeah, all of you listen. Yes, yes. All of you listen, please listen, please listen. So this is the greatest discovery of human mankind. That is, what is it? The fire. Can you imagine a life without fire? Without fire, do you think anything will work? First of all, we can't make food without fire. So many things are made using by fire, by burning whatever equipment, whatever things we are using. Most of the things are made by using fire.
Ma'am, we should make the food with fire, ma'am.
So the man, humankind, accidentally discovered. Will you remain silent, ma? You are not following the basic rules of online class in spite of saying so many times. See, some kids I know they have knowledge, but there are so many kids who don't know anything. They need to be told every small little thing. If you keep on disturbing me, I may forget. First listen, first understand the video. Definitely I'll give chance for us to discuss. Please understand. This is the 5th time I'm telling. So how did they make the fire? It was just an accident. One of the person, he was just rubbing 2 stones and he found there is a spark. There is a fire spark. And that fire spark accidentally fell on this dry leaves and the leaves started burning. He was shocked. How come? Where is this? What is this? So then he started learning. Oh, this is fire. We can do so many things with this fire. We can make use of this fire and do so many things. What are the other things he learned to do?
Humans must have discovered fire by accident. It is believed that they saw sparks coming out when they were rubbing 2 stones together.
So when they rubbed 2 stones together, they found that there is a fire spark.
This was a great discovery, as now they could make fire themselves.
So they also learned that they can make fire themselves. And one of the most important thing is they came to know that wild animals are scared of fire. Okay, so they use this fire first thing for cooking, and next thing they use this fire to escape from wild animals. That means to escape or to not to get hurt by the wild animals.
Fire was very useful as it protected them from wild animals.
They protected themselves from wild animals. One more use is to keep themselves warm.
Animals and the cold. They also realized that they could roast meat.
Yes, the third thing they realized is you can use the fire to roast the meat. That means to burn the meat, to roast the meat and to cook food from the meat.
Ma'am, they will
Fire.
hunt
Perhaps
the
this
animals
is how
and eat.
early humans learned how to cook food.
Yeah, with this fire, direct heating of the meat. This is how they learned.
The start of farming. Early humans tried to improve their life. This took thousands of years. They grew in number. They could not find enough food.
So they started realizing that fruits and meat was not enough. They could not anymore lead because they are not getting enough. Please listen. They are not getting enough food from animals. Yes. So they are not getting enough food from animals and fruits. So they started farming. What is farming? They started growing up, putting plants. They started growing fields. So if they put the plant, suppose they find the mango fruit, they eat the mango fruit, and by accidentally they put the seed on the ground and on the soil. So that seed started growing into another mango tree. So that is how they discovered, oh, that we get trees from the seeds. So do we get trees from the trees? Seeds. That is how they started doing farming.
Yes, ma'am.
For their food.
I go and
They
plant
were
one
just
day,
hunting
ma'am.
and gathering. They needed new ways to survive. Slowly, they started farming and rearing animals.
Yeah, they not only started farming, they also started rearing, taking care of domestic animals.
At first, early humans collected the seeds of wild plants to eat.
So they used to eat fruits, right? Then they collected the seeds and started planting in the soil.
Later on, they noticed that these seeds could be sown in the ground.
Yeah, these seeds can be sown. Sown means they can be slightly, you dig the soil and put the seed and cover the seed with the soil. So after 1 week or 10 days, it slowly starts growing into plants.
To grow more plants, they planted seeds and watched them grow.
Yeah, in that way, they planted thousands of seeds and they started, see, look at the green fields.
This is how they discovered farming. They used stones to dig the soil. Later, they improved their tools with which farming became
Yeah, with the stones itself, they started making different tools which can be used in farming in different ways.
better. Human settlement. Now, early humans knew that they could grow their food. They no longer needed to wander in search of food.
So they slowly started concentrating more on farming, and they stopped hunting. I mean, they are doing hunting, but their total concentration was in farming because they're getting more food by farming. Whereas hunting is a risky process, isn't it? They may get killed. Okay, you need to search for the animals, you need to kill the animals. That is a long procedure, isn't it? And it's a very risky also. Risky means your life may get into a danger. Whereas farming is very simple. I mean, it's hard work, but it's very, if you once you start farming, then later on after 6 months, you will get lots and lots of food. It depends upon different kinds of farming you do. Are you understanding, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Interesting, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It is very interesting. Yes, ma'am.
Give attendance. See, I'm calling attendance. All of you remain silent. All of you remain silent. When I call immediately, you should say present. If you don't say present, I'll put absent. Ara,
Present, ma'am.
Aditya,
Present, ma'am.
Andrew,
Just
Bhavyashri, Charvi,
present, ma'am. Charvi.
Tia, Jessica. Just say yes or no. Grace,
Present, ma'am.
Isha,
Yes, present, ma'am.
nice. Mansur, I'll make you mute. Where is this sound? Kashmita, mute. See, when I'm taking attendance, please don't make any noise.
This is Jayshrit. I have a doubt.
1 second, let me first finish taking attendance.
Okay, ma'am.
Hemant. Who is in unmute mode? Avisha. Ritika. Jason. Why nobody is answering? Avisha. Ritika.
Havisha, present, ma'am.
Ritika.
Ritika, present.
Jason. Jay Sridath.
Present, ma'am.
Jason is there, but I don't know why he's not able to answer. Jessica.
Present, ma'am.
Lakshmi Sahiti.
Present.
Rohita.
Present, ma'am.
Mansura.
Present, ma'am. Present.
Tejashwi, will you mute?
Ma'am, this is Jason. Ma'am, Mansura is present.
Okay, Jason, I saw you actually. I gave Mokshit.
Ma'am, Mokshit, ma'am. Ma'am, Mokshit is present. Ma'am, Mokshit is present. Ma'am, Mokshit is present, ma'am.
I marked. Rahiti, Ragadruti,
Roll numbers.
Ashmita,
Present, ma'am.
Abhiram,
Present, ma'am.
Samuel. Samuel,
Present,
study.
ma'am.
Samuel, please be present. Don't be absent, okay? Sanjay, Sanvi,
Present, ma'am.
Rushita,
కొంచెం అయిపోయి క్లాస్ అయిపోతుంది
Tejasvi,
Present, ma'am.
Aparna. Samuel, will you mute?
Present, ma'am.
Chatvik,
Satvik, present, ma'am.
Dharmik,
Yes, ma'am.
Anvit,
Yes, ma'am. Present,
Manasvi,
Present, ma'am.
Sai Akshaj,
Present, ma'am.
Siddharth, Sai Deepa, Kalyan,
Ma'am, Kalyan, present.
Prihit,
Present, ma'am.
Aradhya, Anisha, Suhas Paul,
Present, ma'am.
so they concentrate, as I said, now they started spending more time in farming and rearing domestic animals rather than hunting. And they also made different types of sharp instruments or sharp equipments with the stones and started using it.
They also required water for drinking and farming. So
they also realized that they also need lots of water, not only for drinking, but also for farming.
they started living near riverbanks.
So what did they do? Instead of carrying the water, they made their homes like small huts kinds of things nearby river, because you need water 24 hours, isn't it? We can't live without water. So they used a plan and they started living nearby lakes and natural rivers.
They also knew that all animals came to riverbanks for drinking water.
So not just them, even the nearby domestic animals and actually all the animals came near the water to drink, came near the lakes and rivers to drink water. And when they came near the river, what did they do?
Where they could be hunted easily.
So they can hunt them easily. See how he is taking the live fish, isn't it? So they need these early humans need not go to the deep forest to hunt for the animals. Obviously, animals are naturally by themselves, they are coming near the lakes and rivers to drink water. So naturally, the early humans, they killed their animal. They killed the animals whenever they came to drink water instead of hunting. It became simple, isn't it?
Fish in the river was another source of food for them.
So they also realized that fish can be eaten as food.
Early humans began to live and work together in groups.
So slowly they started making friendship. They started living like a community. So all the people doing work together, talking, sharing. They lived as a society, just like how we are living in apartments. See, whenever we have some festivals or functions, we share our daily things. Whenever we travel, yeah, just like how we are leading life in apartments or normal houses. Earlier, long ago, they also started sharing their ideas with people. They started living together in groups.
Built huts near the rivers and lakes.
They built so many huts near the river, and all of them happily they are doing their work.
This gradually led to the development of small villages.
So once they made 10 houses. Later they formed 100 houses. That became a village. Another set of people, again they started building small huts nearby the rivers. Another village. Like that, the villages grew in number.
Rearing animals. Early humans also learned how to domesticate animals. They started rearing useful animals like hens,
Rearing means so taking care of the animals. For example, giving them food. If they are sick, taking care of them. Giving food on proper time. Giving them bath. All those things.
goats, cows, dogs,
So what all are there? Dogs, hens, goats, sheep, and buffaloes, ox, cows, everything.
and sheep. Dogs guarded their land, and the
Now, how did they use these domestic animals? First thing is they used dogs to protect fields or to guard the fields from the birds. So dogs, whenever they see the birds, they bark. Obviously, they bark. So the birds used to run away, otherwise fly away. Otherwise, birds will eat and spoil the fields. Do you know? Birds will spoil the fields.
Yes, ma'am.
goats and cows gave them milk.
And they also realized that cows and goat milk is very useful. They can extract milk from cows, and if they drink, it is very healthy for us.
They used camels and donkeys either for riding or carrying things from one place to another.
So they used horses, they used donkeys, they used camels, either to travel from one place to another place or to carry heavy baggages or heavy things.
Now, they always had meat to eat, milk to drink, and animal skin and fur to make their clothes.
So they used meat to eat, milk to drink, and animal skin or fur. Both are same. Skin and fur is same to cover their bodies.
The life of early humans became much better.
So don't you think so? The beginning of the story, this video, they had nothing. But after some time, they used so many things and they improved their lifestyle. Do you agree with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Invention of the
Yes,
wheel.
ma'am.
Early humans had to walk on foot. Also, it was
This is one of the next greatest discovery. That is wheel. Our vehicles, our two-wheelers, four-wheelers, everything, flights, trains, how do they run? Do you think, can you think, imagine without wheels, these vehicles running? Without the wheels, can you imagine any vehicle to move?
Ma'am.
Impossible, highly impossible. So next, after the fire, the greatest invention, one of the greatest invention of humankind is a wheel. How did they find out the wheel?
difficult to
Initially, they didn't know the wheel. So what did they do?
Locks, ma'am, and made wheels.
Yeah, so initially they didn't have wheel. So these people used to carry on their backs such heavy loads. Imagine carrying on their backs. It was impossible to walk.
carry heavy load. One day, one of them might have noticed a log of wood rolling down the hill.
So this person was observing one log of wood, that means one wood thing. It started rolling from the top to the bottom of some hill.
They realized that round objects could be easily moved.
Then he realized, an idea struck his mind that round objects always roll. Isn't it? Any round object, is it whether it's a ball or a wheel or whatever circular thing, any round thing, it always rolls.
By rolling them, they took a round log of wood and put it under a sledge.
With the use of wood, with the use of some trees, they made a circular round wheels and they made a small wheel kind of thing. See here, a cart like of thing.
The sledge began to move easily. Perhaps this was the idea of wheel.
So when he put wheels on either side of this sledge or cart, it was easy for him to pull such heavy loads. Actually, it's impossible to pull this, but with the help of these wheels, he was able to easily pull it.
Ma'am,
Ah,
actually, wood will be the right, ma'am. On heavy loads might be on the wood. Won't the wood break?
no, it won't break. He will make strong wheels. Ma. He won't make small wheels. Depending upon the weight on the cart, he will make such strong wheels. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thick wheels.
The invention of the wheel changed the life of early humans. They started using it in carts for transportation.
So what are the main purpose of wheels? They are used for carts for transportation of goods from one place to another. One more thing is they also learned with the help of these wheels, they also learned how to make pots. See, now we have steel vessels, cookers, electric rice cookers, microwaves, everything. But they never had any cooking equipment. They didn't have steel at all. So they all the time